Bhastrika means a blows used in a furnace. Here the air is forcefully drawn in and out. The technique of Bhastrika Pranayam is divided into two stages. Bhastrika Pranayam. Stage 1. Sit in any comfortable position like Padmasana, Siddhasana or Virasana. Keep the back erect and rigid. Lower the head to the trunk. Rest the chin in the notch between the collarbones just above the breastbone. This is Jalandhara Bandha. Stretch the arms out straight and rest the back of the wrist on the knees. Join the tips of the index fingers to the tips of the thumbs, keeping the other fingers extended. This position or gesture of the hand is known as Janana Mudra, the symbol or seal of knowledge. The index finger symbolizes the individual soul and the thumb the universal soul. Take a fast, vigorous breath and exhale fast and forcefully. One inhalation and one exhalation completes a cycle of Bhastrika. The sound made resembles air rushing through bouts. Complete at a stretch of 10 to 12 cycles. Then take a slow deep breath as in Ujjayi Pranayam. Retain the breath with Mula Bandha for 2 to 3 seconds. Then exhale slowly and deeply as in Ujjayi Pranayam. This Ujjayi type of breathing rests the lungs and the diaphragm and prepares them for fresh cycle of Bhastrika. Repeat the cycles of Bhastrika 3 to 4 times with Ujjayi breathing in between. If the sound of the air lessens and the vigor diminishes, then reduce their number. After completion of stage 1, lie down in Shavasana. And relax for a while. Stage 2 of Bhastrika Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable position like Padmasana, Siddhasana or Virasana. Keep the back erect and rigid. Lower the head to the trunk. Rest the chin in the notch between the collarbones just above the breastbone. Bend the right arm at the elbow. Bend the index and middle fingers towards the palm, keeping them passive. Bring the ring and little fingers towards the thumb. Place the right thumb on the right side of the nose, just below the nasal bone. The ring and little fingers on the left side of the nose, just below the nasal bone. Close the left nostril completely, but keep the right nostril partially open. Inhale and exhale vigorously only through the right nostril for 10 to 12 cycles of Bhastrika, as in stage 1. Now close the right nostril and open the left nostril and repeat Bhastrika Pranayam for an equal number of cycles. Bhastrika Pranayam activates and invigorates the liver, spleen, pancreas and abdominal muscles. Thus, digestion is improved, the sinuses are drained, eyes feel cool, and one has a general sense of exhilaration. Person with a weak constipation and poor lung capacity should not attempt Bhastrika Pranayam. Those suffering from ear or eye complaints should not attempt them either. Release the fingers from the nostril. Take a few deep breaths as in Ujjayi. After completion of stage 2, lie down in Shavasana. And relax for a while.